Yeah, very good. Adhicheshan, Madhumita, good afternoon. Madhunisha, good afternoon. Dakshina, Abhinaya, Stanley, Rahul, Kumaran, Prapanch. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, I hope you all are. Rajesh, is there is any problem? Jivita, good afternoon, ma. Praveen, any problem in my audio and video? Matish, Kovashni, good afternoon, everyone. Any problem in my audio and video? No, thank you. Yeah, Prajesh, you please check your internet connection. The other students are telling that the voice is clear. Okay, Prajesh, you please check your connection. Okay, Prajesh. Very good, Monishwar. Right. I hope that you all are completed the homework problems and uploaded successfully. Okay. So some Friday and Monday, the link was not available. I think so. The uploading link was not available. It may be today it is available for Friday homework and Monday homework. The link available for today. If you already completed the Friday homework and Monday homework, you please today upload it everything, because every day, yeah, due by tomorrow only. Okay, today's homework also available, and previous Friday, Monday homework also available. You please upload it. Okay, upload all the homework problems every day. That is very important. Otherwise, you lose your marks, internal marks. Be serious. Some of the students are not doing problems and not uploading. Some are doing and not uploading. Okay, Esther, very good. Okay, Rahul, we will discuss. You please tell me the question, Rahul. Very good, Madhunisha, Prapanch. Very good, very good. Rahul, please tell me the question. Third question. Good afternoon, Adhichesh. Yeah, Friday, Monday. That is also you upload. Vijay Narayanan, very good. Rahul, can you tell the question? Third question. We will discuss the third homework problem, and then we will go to the next. Homework first problem, Pavan. That is yesterday homework or Rahul? I think this is not an yesterday homework. Very good, Murthy. Look at that, Rahul. Yesterday I gave the problems like this only. Yesterday homework. I am telling that I am reading that yesterday homework. These are all yesterday homework problems. Solve 3x minus 6 greater than or equal to 0. My second question is 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. My third question is 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. And my fourth question is y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x. Fifth question is x minus y less than or equal to 2. These are the yesterday homeworks, Rahul. Right. Any doubt in the yesterday homework? Anybody? Okay. You please, if you are uploaded means no problem. Okay. Yes, correct. Moneshwar, correct. You want first some. Okay. Yeah, please listen. Look at the first problem. 3x minus 6 is greater than or equal to 6 is given. What is my first step? You can write it as greater than or equal to 0. You can write it as equality. Okay. Equality means what happened? This will become 3x is equal to 6. My x is equal to 2. Okay. So find all the points. It is no need. That's my second step is find all the points on x-axis, y-axis. That is no need. Okay. Because x is equal to 2 is given. X is equal to 2 is not a point. It is a straight line. In two-dimensional plane, it is a straight line. So now what is my third step? Plot the points and draw the line. So look at that. This is my line. My x is equal to 2 means this is the line. This is my x is equal to 2 line. This is my point 2 comma 0. Okay, and this is x-axis. This is y-axis. Okay, and this is my x is equal to 2. But look at that. My question is 3x minus 6 greater than or equal to 0. This is my half plane 1. First half plane. This is because I have already told that the line divide the entire region by 2 half planes. This is my first half plane. This is my second half plane. Half plane 2. Okay. Second half plane. Right. So the solution region lies this side or this side. First half plane is the solution region, or my second half plane is the solution region. That I don't know. That I am going to discuss. That I am going to find out. What is my fourth step? My fourth step means you can take one point in either one of the half plane. I am taking 0. So therefore put 0 comma 0 in your given inequality. In given inequality. What is the answer? Apply 0 here, sir. Here there is no y, sir. No problem. You apply only x coordinate. My x coordinate is 0. 0 minus 6 is greater than or equal to 0. This is true or not? This is true or false? Minus 6 greater than or equal to 0. This is false. Okay, so therefore minus 6 is always less than 0 only. False means 0, 0 lies this side. This is not a solution. My 0, 0 lies in the first half plane. If you are getting false when you apply 0, 0, then my first half plane is not a solution. So first half plane is not a solution, then what is the meaning? My second half plane is the solution. This is my second half plane. This is my solution. Okay, are you clear? Are you understand? Now look at that. Here equality is given. Equality given means you consider the line also. Your line also is in the solution set. This line x is equal to 2 line is also in our solution set, solution region. Okay, sir, why you are taking the solution equal to, sir? That equation, sir, equality is given. The set of all points on the line also satisfies this inequality. What is the solution? If you take any point here, suppose I am taking one point here, sir, I am taking one point here. This is definitely satisfied this inequality. Sir, I am taking a point here, sir. This is definitely satisfied this inequality. I am taking point here, sir. This is definitely satisfying this inequality. Sir, I am taking a point on the line, sir. X is equal to 2. Okay, this is 2 comma 0. This is some other point. Okay, 2 comma 1, this is some 2 comma 4, this is 2 comma 6. Okay, every point on the line also satisfying this inequality. So therefore the line and this region all are the solution of the given inequality. You can write one more step. Fifth step, shaded region. You add the one more step. Shaded region is the solution region. Shaded region is the solution region of the given inequality. Okay, are you clear? Any other doubts? Don't draw number line, Nasrat, because this is, you please read the problem carefully. Problem is draw the solve it is graphically. Saturday we have a test. Definitely we have a test. Okay, look at that. This one, the problem is two consecutive, find all the pairs of consecutive odd natural numbers. You take it as odd natural numbers x and x plus 2. This is smaller odd consecutive odd natural number. This is the next consecutive odd natural number. Okay, so both are less than 10. Na? The question is given less than 10. Both are less than 10. My x plus 2 is also less than 10. That means my x is less than 8. Okay, so take it, this is my first inequality. X is less than 10, x is less than 8. Combining these two, I am considering this x is less than 8. Okay, now come to that, the sum is greater than or equal to 40. Am I right? Oh, both are larger than 10. Huh? Both are larger than 10. The sum is less than 40. Right. So therefore, you can take two consecutive odd integers. Both are larger than 10. X plus 2 is also 10. So therefore, this is greater than 8. This is greater than 10. But in these two, which is this one satisfies both. X is greater than 8 as well as x is greater than 10. You can consider this is my equation number 1. Okay, what is the sum? My sum is less than 40. Less than 40 means what is the answer? 2x plus 2 is less than 40. My 2x is less than 38. My x is less than 19. Are you clear? Rahul, are you okay? This is my second equation from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Okay, my x is greater than 10. That is 10 less than or equal to x less than or equal to this 19. Okay, this is my odd number. Odd number means you can take it as, okay, so that is my x is equal to odd number 11, 13, 15, 17. Don't consider even 19 because equality is not given. Okay, so therefore my x is equal to 11, 13, 7, 15, 17. So therefore the required numbers are, required pairs are, the first number is 11, then my second number is automatically 13. If my first number is 13, second number is automatically 15. My next number is, first number is 15, next number is 17. 17 means next number is 19. Okay, yeah, that's all. You have to take up to 17 only. This is my x. These are my x values. Are you okay, Rahul? Supraja, the identities proof not required, but the identities are very important. Okay, right. So someone is asking about my x is greater than 10, my x is greater than 8. Okay, so in this inequality, okay, this x greater than 10 satisfies both the inequality. X greater than, your x is greater than 10 means satisfying this. Your x is greater than 10, it is always your x is greater than satisfying that 8 also. Okay, so therefore, you, because this is not possible, sir, I am going to take my x is equal to 9, sir. It is not possible. Why? You are not possible to consider your x is 9. Why? Because look at that, both the numbers are larger than 10. Therefore, this is not possible. You are taking x is equal to 9 is not possible because given both the integers, odd integers are greater than, larger than 10. So therefore 9 is not possible. Therefore I am choosing x greater than 10. Are you okay? Are you clear? Right. Any other doubt in our yesterday homework problem? Fourth sum, Dakshina. What is my fourth sum? Yeah, just now here I wrote fourth sum. Y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x. Look at that homework problem, fourth sum. Y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x. This is solved graphically in two-dimensional plane. What is my first step? Take the equality. What is my second step? Find the points on x-axis. Find the points of x-axis and y-axis. Okay, how to find out the points? You take this is x, this is y, and here put 0 and 0. If x is equal to 0 means what is my y? My y is minus 8. Are you okay? If x is equal to 0 means my y is minus 8. If y is equal to 0, my x is equal to 4. Am I right? Are you clear? When my x is equal to 0, my y plus 8 equal to 0, y is equal to minus 8. My y is equal to 0, my x is equal to 8 is equal to 2x, my x is equal to plus 4 only. Now, what is my third step? Plot the points. And draw the line. Plot the points and draw the line. This is x-axis, y-axis. Okay. All right. And this is the points are, look at that. The points are 0, comma, minus 8. My 0, comma, minus 8 means it may be here. 0, comma, minus 8. Okay. And the next point is 4, comma, 0. 4, comma, 0 means it may be here. Right. Now connect these 2 points. That is a line. Use pencil scale for a graph. Students, all of you use pencil scale for graph. So therefore, this is your y plus 8 is equal to 2x. Okay, now this is my half plane 1. This is my half plane 1. This side is half plane 2. That means this line is dividing the entire region into 2 half planes. Okay, right. Now my solution region is either the first half plane or the second half. Any one half plane. That is my region, solution region. Which one, first half or second half? How to find out? You take that 0, comma 0. Okay, so my fourth point is put 0, comma 0 in the given inequality. In the given inequality. Okay, now what is my inequality? Y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x. Y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x. Substitute that. So when I'm applying 0, here 0, here also 2 into 0. So therefore my 8 is greater than or equal to 2. Sorry, my 8 is greater than or equal to 0. This is correct or not? This is not correct. False. Why it is false? My 8 is, I'm sorry, my 8 is greater than 0 only. So therefore this is true, not false. This is true. Okay, true means, so true means your 0, comma 0 lies in the first half plane. Look at that, your 0, comma 0 true, that is lie in first half plane. So therefore my first half plane is my solution region. Are you okay? Are you understanding? Yes. So therefore, this is my solution region. The first half plane is my solution region because my 0, comma 0 lie in the first half plane. So therefore, that is my solution region because my 0, comma 0 satisfying the given inequality. We are getting a true statement. Okay, so therefore, the fifth step, write the fifth step. shaded region is the solution region. Shaded region is the solution region of the given inequality. Okay, pa? Are you clear? Any other doubt? Transpose means no problem. This is true or not? You can include this equal to also, because look at that, in your inequality equality is given. Equal to given means you have to include that line also. What is the meaning? The points on the line are also satisfying the inequality. So therefore, this is also in our solution set. The line is also in our solution set. Okay. If equal to is not given, if my equal to is not given, okay, so then you can take that line in dotted line. Dotted line means the points on the line is not in our solution set. The points on the line is not in our solution set. Okay, so greater than or that equal to given means you can include the line. Okay, equal to is not given, you exclude the line, right? Nashrat, what is the doubt? This is true or not, Nashrat? 8 greater than or equal to 0, true or not? This statement, it is true or not? Not equal to, okay, I accept that. Okay, that this statement is true or not? 8 is greater than symbol is there, that is true or not? Either greater than or equal to. Do you know the meaning for this, Nashrat? Greater than or equal to. You read this, greater than or equal to. Okay, either greater than or equal to. Are you okay, Nashrat? Greater than or equal to any one. Right? Okay. Kumaran, what is your problem? Why you are transposing? If you are transposing means you can write the inequality as like this: 2x less than or equal to y plus 8. This is the transpose. You proceed. But why you are transposing? That is my question. Idris, you please ask your doubts, these type of doubts at the time of last 5 minutes. Okay. Coming weekend, we have a test in trigonometry functions, 25 questions. If you want, if you have any general doubts, okay, other than the subject, okay, you please ask at the last 5 minutes. Okay, correct, Kumaran. That is correct. What is the second sum? What is the second sum? 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. Okay, right. What is my first step? Take the equality. Okay, what is my second step? Find the points. Find the points of x-axis and y-axis. Okay, how to find out the points? So this is x, y, put 0. Okay, if you put x is equal to 0, what is my y? 6. If you put y is equal to 0, what is x? 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. Okay, third one, what is the third one? Plot the points and draw the line. Okay, plot the points, draw the line. Okay, so look at that, this is 0, 6. It may be here, 0, plus 6. And 3, 0, it may be here, 3, 0. Okay, draw the line. Use pencil scale for graph, all of you. Use pencil scale for graph. Okay, so this is my, this line is my 2x plus y equal to 6. This is a line. This is my half plane 2. This is my half plane 1. Okay, right. Now come to that, take a point 0, 0. This is the point 0, 0. Substitute in your given inequality. Put 0, 0 in the given inequality. Okay, what happened? Substitute here. This is 2 into 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to 6. So my, this is 0, this is 0, 0 is greater than or equal to 6. This is true or false? This is true or false? This is false. My 0 is greater than or equal to 6. So therefore this is false. False means my 0, I am applying this point. This point lie in the half plane 1. Okay, my half plane 1 is not my solution. This is not my solution. Okay, this is the only, the second half plane is my solution. Equal to is given. Equal to is given means you consider the line also. The points on the line is also satisfying the given inequality. So therefore you can consider the line also, this line and this region. Are you clear? Are you understand? What is the meaning of this solution region? You can take any point on this solution region. You can take any point. Sir, I wish to take it as 5,000, 5,000, sir. No problem. You substitute that, automatically it satisfies. You will get true answer. If you take any point on this solution region, substituting in this inequality, you will get the statement as true. You will get the true answer. That means it satisfies. Okay, if you take any point on this side, half plane 1, definitely you will get the false statement, not true statement. Okay, are you clear? Right, any other doubt? For transposing, don't change the inequality sign. Okay, for minus only you have to change the inequality sign. Okay. Okay, what is the doubt? 16x plus 12y greater than or equal to that? Yeah, you can simplify, Akif. You can simplify. Yeah, points on line included, Monishwar, because equal to symbol is given. Look at that. My equal to symbol is given means you can include the line in your solution set. Okay. Okay, Monishwar? Yes. Yes, that's all it is. True means my first half plane is the solution. Okay, true mean that is not a meaning, Idris. You please don't think like that. True means first half plane and not true means it is second half plane. True means we are applying 0, 0. Okay, so true means that 0, 0 lying which half plane? That half plane is my solution. Sometimes look at that. sometimes some of the students taking this is my half plane 2, this is my half plane 1. Okay, so therefore don't think that my always true means always half plane 1 is true, false means always half plane 2 is true. Okay, some students maybe take as this is half plane 2, this is half plane 1. Okay, so the idea is if 0, 0 does not satisfy, that means any point in this half plane does not satisfy the inequality. If one point does not satisfy the inequality, then any point on this half plane does not satisfy the inequality. Automatically, so this side, okay, so if this side not satisfies the inequality means automatically the points on this side satisfies the inequality. The points in the other half plane satisfies the inequality. That is the meaning. Okay, you please try to understand like that. Okay. Yeah, Harshini. Two half planes only. Any line divide the entire region into two half planes. Any line, two variable lines. Okay. Right. Now come to that the next problem. And suppose this is I am taking solve. What is the answer for this one? Solve minus 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to minus x graphically. Okay, in two-dimensional plane. In two-dimensional plane. Okay, what is my first step? Minus 3x plus 2y equal to minus 6. What is my second step? Find the points on x-axis, y-axis. Find the points of or points on x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so what are the points? This is x, this is y. Okay, put x 0, y 0. Put x 0, what is your y? Put x is equal to 0. What is your y? 2y is equal to minus 6. My y is equal to minus 3. Okay, put x is equal to, put y is equal to 0. Minus 3x is equal to minus 6. So therefore, minus minus cancel. 6 by 3, it is 2 plus 2. Are you clear? Right, come to the third one. Plot the points and draw the line. Okay, come to that. Okay, plot the points and draw the line. What are the points? 0, comma, minus 3. This is 0, comma, minus 3. Are you okay? And this is 2, comma, 0. So take that. Use pencil scale for graph, all of you. This is my x-axis, this is my y-axis, this is my origin, 0, comma, 0. Okay, and this is my line minus 3x plus 2y equal to minus 6. This is my line. Okay, right. This is I am taking as half plane 1, this side, and this side I am taking half plane 2. Okay, so now come to that fourth one. Put 0, comma 0. Apply 0, comma 0 in the given inequality. So when you apply 0, comma 0 in our given inequality, what happened? You are getting true statement or false statement. So when you apply 0, this is also 0. This is greater than or equal to minus 6. My 0 is greater than or equal to minus 6. The statement is true or not? This statement is true or not? That is true. Okay. Yes. So therefore, true means 0, 0 lie in my first half plane. So therefore, my first half plane is the solution region, solution set. Please look at that. Again, I'm repeating what is solution set or solution region. So the points on this shaded region satisfying the given inequality. Okay, equality is given. Look at that. My equality is given means the points on the line are also satisfying the inequality. The points on the line are also satisfying the inequality. So therefore, the line also including my solution set. Okay, so therefore this first half plane is my solution region. Okay, write the fifth step. What is my fifth step? Shaded region. Okay, is the solution region of the given inequality. Okay, are you clear? Are you understanding? Are you okay, Paul? Any other doubts? So if you are writing step by step, Aishwarya, just now I have told that what is your doubt, Aishwarya? Yes, Akif, today also I have posted. It will be posted by the Learnity. Okay, don't worry. Right, now come to the next one. And next question, solve y less than minus 2 graphically in two-dimensional plane. Okay, solve this, share the region. What is my first step? My first step is take equality minus 2. What is my second step? Find the points. No need to find the points. So if find the points means if you put x is equal to 0, what is your y? Minus 2. If you put x is equal to 1, what is your y? Minus 2. If you put x is equal to minus 1, what is your y? For everything it is minus 2. Okay. So then draw the graph. What is my graph? This is my x-axis, this is my y-axis. So when I am taking x is equal to 0, my y is minus 2. When I am taking x is equal to minus 1, my y is minus 2. When I am taking x is equal to plus 1, my y is minus 2. Okay, so therefore connect this. Okay, so therefore this is y is equal to minus 2 diagram. Okay, line. And my point is this is 0, 0. Right? This is my half plane 1. This is my half plane 2. Because this line only divide the region into two half planes. Okay, right. Now put 0, 0. Yeah, dotted only. Yes. Why dotted? Why I am going to for the dotted line? Yes. Yes, Ram Charan. Value of x may be any and my y is constant. That is the meaning. Correct. So look at that. Here it is less than only given, not equal to symbol is not given. So therefore you consider this line is in dotted line because this line is not in our solution set. You take this line in dotted lines. Okay, take it in dotted lines. Okay, now come to that, put 0, 0. My third step is plot the points and draw the line. Okay, fourth step is put 0, 0 in the given inequality. Okay, what you are getting? Apply 0. So my x is not given, only y is given. So I am applying y value 0. I am getting less than minus 2. 0 is always less than minus 2. That is correct. This is less than minus 2. This is correct. No, the answer is false. My 0 is the bigger one compared to this minus 2. So therefore, my 0, 0 lying in the first half plane. This is not, this first half plane is not my solution region. Then automatically my second half plane is my solution region. My second half plane means this is my solution region. Are you okay? Are you clear? Right? Which one it is? Previous summer. No, Idris, look at that. You are changing everything multiplying by minus. Minus means your inequality may be changed. You can take, first of all, change the inequality, multiply by both the sides by minus, then inequality will change. After that, you do the problem. For less than or equal to, for greater than or equal to, you consider your first step is equal to only. Okay, that is correct. Ram Charan, no need to draw in graph paper or graph notebook. Okay. If need means I will tell you. Okay. Right. So answer for this question. Solve x greater than minus 3. Please try this. Solve x greater than minus 3. Yeah, graphically only. Okay, graphically. Solve by graphically. Sahana, you please see that today only I got the message, all the videos are uploaded. Very good, Monishwa. Okay, very good, very good. Yeah, try the next problem. 3y minus 5x less than 30. Solve. 3y minus 5x less than 30. So dear students, please look at this problem. Solve x greater than minus 3. So what is my first step? Take the equality. What is my second step? Find the points. How to find the points? Only x is given, y is not given. Okay, you take some y value. When y is equal to 0, what is your x? Minus 3. Take y is equal to 1. What is your x? Minus 3. Take y is equal to minus 1. What is your x? Always it is minus 3. That means for any value of y, your x is constant. Then plot the points and draw the line. Plot the points and draw the line. Okay, so what is the answer? Okay, so plot the points. Your x is minus 3, y is 0. So therefore, look at that. X is minus 3, y is 0 means the point may be here. My x is minus 3, y is equal to 1. The point may be here. My x is minus 3, my point is y is minus 1. The point may be here. Okay, connect all these points, you will get the line. So therefore, this is nothing but my x is equal to minus 3. This is my x is equal to minus 3. You have to put the dotted line also. Why? Because only greater than symbol only given. Equal to symbol is not given. You can take a dotted line. Okay, so therefore this is my x is equal to minus 3. Now this is my 0, 0. This is my x-axis. This is my y-axis. This is my minus 3, 0. Okay, right. Now come to that. Apply 0, 0 here. The fourth point, put 0, 0 in the given inequality. What is my 0, 0? Applying when I'm applying 0, 0. So this is 0 greater than minus 3 I'm getting. 0 greater than minus 3. This statement is true or not? Okay, so 0 is always greater than minus 3. Yeah, it is true. True means my 0, 0 lies in the, this is half plane 2. This is my half plane 1. Okay, someone asking, sir, true means my half plane 1 is solution region, sir. And false means half plane 2 is a solution region, sir. No, please don't think like that. Look at that. Here I am getting true, but my 0, 0 lies in the half plane true. This is my half plane 1. My 0, 0 lies in the half plane 2. Okay, so therefore my half plane 2 is the solution region. This is my solution region. Please try to understand, students. This is my solution region. Monishwar, are you getting the left hand side for the previous problem? Monishwar. Vijay Narayan, you are correct. Supraja, okay. Well, what is your doubt? Yeah, okay, okay, Monishwar, very good. Right, now come to the next problem. This is the next problem. 3y minus 5x less than 30. Next problem. Solve by graphically. In two-dimensional. In two-dimensional plane. What is my first step? Take the equality. What is my second step? Find the points. So find the points. What happened? You take x, this is 0, this is 0. When you take x is equal to 0, your 3y is equal to 30. Therefore, my y is equal to 10. Okay, when you take y is equal to 0, minus 5x is equal to 30. So therefore, my x is equal to minus 6. Are you clear? Are you understanding? So the third one is plot the points. And draw the line. Okay, so plot the points and draw the line. Right, so my 0, 10, it may be here. X is 0, y is 10, and my x is minus 6, y is 0. So therefore, the point may be here, minus 6, 0. Are you clear? Now connect these two. Less than only given, not equal to, so therefore make a line in dotted lines. So please try to understand. So in some places I'm drawing dotted line, in some places I'm drawing the ordinary line. Okay, why? Equal to symbol is not given. Only greater than given, only less than given means you can put the line as a dotted line. Greater than or equal to, less than or equal to means you can put the ordinary line. Okay, so now come to that. This is my half plane 1. This side is my half plane 2. Okay, so this is my 0, 0. So now come to that and apply that 0, 0. Put 0, 0 in the given inequality. Substitute here 0, 0. I am getting here also 0, here also 0, 0 less than 30. This is true or false? This is true only. Okay, true means 0 lies in this second half plane. Please try to understand, my 0, 0 lies in this second half plane. So therefore, this is my solution region. So therefore, my solution region is this is. What is the meaning of the solution region? Any point in this region satisfies our inequality. Are you clear? Are you understanding? Write the fifth step. What is my fifth step? Shaded region. Shaded region is the solution region of the given inequality. Okay, my shaded region is the solution region of the given inequality. Okay, yes. Okay, pa. Okay, 3y minus 5x greater than 0. Harshini, 3y minus 5x greater than 0. Solve 3y minus 5x greater than 0. Am I right? Question correct, Harshini? 3y minus 5x greater than 0. Now look at that. Come to that first equality. 3x, 3y minus 5x equal to 0. Then this becomes 3y equal to 5x. Are you clear? Now come to that. Find the points. Find the points. When you apply x is equal to 0, what happened? My y is also 0. Right? If you apply y 0, again I am getting x 0. Are you clear? Are you understand? So please look at that. So when I am applying x 0, I am getting y 0. When I am applying y 0, I am getting x 0. Right? These two are same points. These two are representing only one point, 0, 0, origin. Okay, right? So if x is 0, y is 0 means the line is passing through 0, 0 origin. Then what to do, sir? For drawing line, I need one more point, at least 2 points. So therefore, you give at least one value for x. Okay, suppose I am giving my x is equal to 1 or 2 or 3 or 5. Suppose I am giving my x is equal to 3, what happened? You can, I am choosing x is equal to 3. You can choose any value for x. Any value, sir, I am choosing minus 2 by 3, sir. Yeah, you can choose. I am choosing my x is equal to 3. What happened? This is 3 into 5, 15. My y is equal to 15 by 3, that is 5. Are you clear? Are you understand? I am choosing my x is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3, this is 3 into 5, 15. Okay. And my 3y is equal to 15, my y is equal to 5. Right? Now plot the points. Plot the points and draw the line. Okay, this is 0, 0. The another point is 3, 5. My x is 3 and my y is 5. So therefore, this is my line. So only greater than symbol is given, you take a dotted line. Okay, so therefore, look at that. This is my x, this is my y, this is my half plane 1, this is my half plane 2. Okay, but what is my fourth step? Put 0, 0. But here, look at that. My line is passes through the 0, 0. So don't take the point on the line. So when you're substituting, you take any one point on first half plane or in second half plane. Don't take the point on the line. Okay, but this line is passes through 0, 0. So therefore, don't take this 0, 0. Then which point I can choose, sir? You can choose your one choice. I can choose 1, 0, another simple point. I am choosing another simple point. The point lies in second half plane, 1, 0. Sir, can I choose 0, 1, sir? Yeah, you can choose 0, 1 also. Okay, so I can choose 0, 1, this point in the first plane, 0, 1, substitute here. So what happened? So my x is 0, y is 1. So therefore 3 into 1 minus 0, that is greater than 0. This is 0, this is 1. My 3 greater than 0. My 3 greater than 0 means true or false? True. True means my first half plane is the solution region. True means my 0, 1 lies in the first half plane, therefore this is my solution region. Harshini, are you okay? Very good. Very good. You please look at the slides. This is our first slide. This is second slide. Okay. Any doubts? Thank you so much. Logadit. Why second plane is the answer? Thank you so much, Monishwar. Why second plane is the answer? Yeah, mistake only. So for equality is not given, you put dotted line only. That is the correct one. So Ajitesh, if greater than or equal to is given, okay, if equal to is given, the points on the line is also a solution. Equal to is not given, the points on the line is not a solution. That's all. Madhumita, what is your doubt? What is your doubt? Equal to is not given means you put a dotted line. Equal to given means put ordinary line. Madhumita, what is your doubt? So I told that you can take any point, Madhumita, any point on any one of the half plane. You can choose 1, 0 also. Logadit, why the second plane is the answer? Ashma, look at that. I am not taking 0, 1. I am not taking 1, 0. I am taking 0, 1. Ashma, you please look at that. I am not taking 1, 0. Logadit, I am not taking 1, 0. I am taking 0, 1. See that? I am taking 0, 1. I have told that, yeah, first plane is the answer. I have told that there are 2 points, 0, 1, 1, 0. You can choose any one. You can choose any one. Ashma, I am not taking 0, 1. Okay. I am not taking 1, 0. I am taking 0, 1. Right. What value? So look at that, Ashma. This is given, my 3y. Ashma, you please listen. This is given 3y minus 5x greater than 0. Put 0 comma 1. I am substituting point 0 comma 1. My x is 0, y is 1. Which is where is your x? This is my x. This is my y. Then what is the answer, Ashma? This is 3 minus 0. What is the answer, Ashma? Are you okay? Okay, okay. Carry on. Okay, thank you all. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please upload the homework properly. Thank you all. Thank you everyone.